Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana is moving up today, pretty much in line with the whole crypto market, in line with Bitcoin as well. That was expected as Bitcoin made a potential low here. Made you aware in my Bitcoin videos that I do expect the price now to move up here into the region of that wave 4. That's the Bitcoin chart, by the way. And that all altcoins, or at least most altcoins, will then be expected to move up as well. What I personally will probably do as soon as Bitcoin reaches this area here between 47 and 49.5K, which is based on the normal retrace or the common retracement levels, Fibonacci levels from the wave 3 here to the wave 4, I will probably take some profits of my altcoins because after that I would expect the wave 5, and the wave 5 will go lower than the wave 3. So that is why Solana at the moment is doing something very similar here. What we could see here is this wave C play out at the moment. So what we do have here is we had the wave A, we came down. Obviously we had here this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern to the upside into November. Then we started the correction. We've been remained bearish throughout here. The wave B target was hit back then. You might remember that when you've seen my videos, we did hit that target here for the wave B. That was, however, the absolute minimum it could do. It didn't even get further than the 0.5 Fibonacci level. So if I show you that again, so from the top there to the low of the wave A, all the way up to the wave B, that was the 0.5 Fib level. That is where my target area started. I did go up all the way to the 0.786 level at $236. There were 3 Fib levels here that could have been become resistance in that wave B. Ideally, for that ideal retracement zone of that wave B, we only reached the first one, and that means the wave B is probably complete. Did tell you that, and then expected further moves down, which we did. We even came here into my price target area for that wave C completion, basically for the completion of that correction. If you've seen my previous videos, you know that I gave you that target area up here. And, well, actually on our way up, I did give you that target area. And it has remained on the chart throughout. And this area is sitting between $55 and $130. Quite a bit of a spread, but this is just what you get. Because it is so volatile, this crypto space here, and the Fibonacci levels are so much extended that you just can't give a closer space. Everything else would just be a guess, and we don't want to make guesses here on the channel. We want to work with probabilities and come to an educated decision here, and so it has come to that top of the target area, which means theoretically this correction could be over. But is it over? I don't believe so. I don't think so. One reason for that is that I do expect Bitcoin and other cryptos to sell off once more in a major sell-off, in a major wave down, and Solana still has more scope as well. We showed you the indicators. The indicators show there is a lot of scope to move further down here on the MACD, for example. On the we can take a look on the MACD. Let me just bring that in here. Oops, it was just hidden, I guess. If we take a look on the MACD, and especially the MACD on the weekly, you can definitely see, there you go, down there, you can see that first of all the RSI has a lot of scope still to further fall. Yeah, so it's not like the price couldn't fall further. And here on the MACD, we are still very high with the MACD line, and we had that bearish cross. The downward momentum is not slowing down, so you can expect here further price decreases, yeah, especially on the weekly. If that shows like that, it doesn't indicate that here we are seeing a reversal. Well, we see here a potential reversal, and to be honest, that is expected, because what you see here, as I said, nothing comes down in a straight line. You have your wave 1, 2, 3, and now possibly wave 4, before you're going to see here a wave 5. And this is all part of the wave C. The wave C is a 5-wave move normally, or at least in the most simple way. So you get your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if this now is a wave 4 retracement, pretty much what Bitcoin is doing as well, a wave 4, we can calculate here the wave 4 retracement level. So I draw here the fibs from here, from the beginning of that wave 3, yeah. And there you go. We've actually already nearly come to the 0.382 fib level here, which is actually the most common one for a wave 4. So it's sitting at 148.92. So let's see if that is going to play out. That would be the level where I would expect the price to land in this retracement. Yeah, this is the retracement level of the wave 4 measured from the beginning of that wave 3, and the 0.382 fib level at 148.92 would be the the most common retracement level. I could do it very accurately here. Just need to pull that up a little bit here, and then we might get a slightly different reading here, 149.21. So there's a bit more scope to move higher. That would be the most common level. I could imagine the price could also go up to the 0.5 fib level at $155. Everything a retracement further than that would be fairly unusual, and then we would need to take another look at that. But these are the key resistance levels that I can see now. And after that, I would expect that last sell-off down here. So yeah, not bullish yet on Solana, but I expect further lower prices. I would imagine that we can definitely see the $100. Are we going to see the 55? I'm not sure. You know, this is obviously quite low from now, but I don't think the 130 will be low enough here for Solana in this wave C down. And that's purely based on the assumption and the wave count for Bitcoin. And I think if Bitcoin is going down once more, I think it will pull here the other cryptos down. And also we haven't seen the wave 5 yet here for Solana. So that's my view here on Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.